Hello everyone, welcome to Dental Shots. Today we are going to see part 5 of cementum series concentrating on the physical characteristics and composition of cementum. First, about the physical characteristics, the cementum is light yellow, permeable to the dyes and radioactive substances. But the permeability decreases with the age and the cementum is relatively brittle. But the hardness of the cementum is less than the dentin and it differs from the enamel by the lack of the lush and dark. On seeing the composition of the cementum, we can broadly classify it into inorganic content and organic content. In the inorganic content, the calcium and phosphate in the form of hydroxyapatite contributes to 45 to 50%. Some of the trace elements like magnesium, fluoride, sulfur, calcium, copper, zinc are found in cementum. And the cementum has the highest fluoride content among the dental tissues, and there is no relationship between the aging and the mineral content of the cementum. Coming to the organic content of the cementum, it consists mainly of collagen and protein polysaccharides and 90% of type 1 collagen, 5% of type 3 collagen, and other type of collagen found are type 5 and 12, which is called as facet, and type 14. On doing a biochemical study on the dry mass of cementum, they found out that 50% is inorganic by the hydroxyapatite crystals and 50% is organic, which is largely contributed by the collagen and less degree by the glycoprotein and proteoglycans. I hope you like this video and do not forget to see the part 6 of cementum series regarding the fibers of cementum.